Hey everyone, in today's video I'm going to share some tips with you on how to make your first video on TikTok, or where exactly to start on TikTok if you're just joining the app. I know that when I first started joining TikTok, I was so overwhelmed, and I was coming from Instagram, so TikTok was completely new to me and I had no idea what to do on the app or what first video I should make. So the tips I'm sharing in this video are tips that I wish I knew when I first started on TikTok. The first tip is to follow Charli D'Amelio on TikTok. If you don't know who that is, Charli is the most followed person on TikTok right now. She just turned 16, and the last time I checked, currently she has 63.2 million followers, and she gains about 1 million followers per day. The reason why you want to be following Charli on TikTok is because everything she does pretty much becomes a trend. And she's gotten to the point where people know she's the most followed person on TikTok, so people pretty much automatically follow her just for that reason. I'm not saying that you should follow Charli to get inspiration from your posts. I love the girl, she's totally sweet and all, nothing against her, but she's just at that point where anything she does pretty much goes viral just because she's the most followed person on TikTok. The reason why you want to be following Charli on TikTok is because you want to be using the same audio that she uses and do the same dances that she does. The way the TikTok algorithm works is that it will show you videos on your For You page similar to the sounds that you have listened to, or similar to the type of content or the type of video that you just watched. So if you think about it, if Charli's the most followed person on TikTok and millions of people are watching her videos, if you use the same audio that she uses, or you copy the dance that she does, you are more likely to show up on other people's For You page because of that reason. The second tip is to scroll on the For You page. This not only gives you inspiration for your videos, but if you notice that you're seeing similar type of videos on your For You page, it's probably a trend and it's a good idea to recreate those videos. So if you notice that a certain type of audio is showing up on your For You page, or a certain type of dance is showing up, or a certain type of style of video is showing up on your For You page, it is a good idea to recreate that content or kind of duplicate that content. What I like to do is I like to favorite the videos that I enjoy on my For You page, or if I see a trend on the For You page, and then every day I go through my favorites and see what kind of video I want to post for that day, because I do film every day for my TikTok videos. So this way it gives me a library of inspiration and I'm never really running out of content ideas. The third tip is to look at the trending hashtags. A thing to note about the trending hashtags is that the hashtags are created when there is a trend on TikTok. It's not the other way around. It's not like TikTok is creating the hashtag and so that other people will join and create that trend. It's actually the other way around, where if TikTok notices that a lot of people are creating a certain type of content, it will create a specific hashtag for that trend. I'm gonna make a full video on this, on how the TikTok algorithm works, but I know that this is the case because my roommate actually created a video and it went viral, and after that there was a hashtag that was created for that video and her video was shown on that hashtag even though she didn't use that trending hashtag. So if you notice that some videos are in the trending hashtag and they don't use a hashtag, that's because the hashtags are created, and then any type of video that has a similar type of content to that trending hashtag will be shown in that hashtag. A tip is to click on the actual title of the hashtag or the little arrow next to the hashtag so that you can read the description to see what that hashtag is really about. But do keep in mind that you don't want to be posting this exact same content that you're seeing on all these trending hashtags, or taking the description of the hashtag and just recreating it, because again, there are so many videos on TikTok and it's going to be really hard for you to stand out if you just do exactly what the hashtag is about. So a huge tip is to get inspiration from the description of the hashtag and put a little spin on it. Put a creative spin and make it funny, or change the punchline a little bit. The fourth tip is to use trending audio. In order to find the trending audio, all you have to do is click the plus sign at the bottom, then click sounds at top, then click trending where the fire emoji is, and then you'll have the list of trending songs there. Now it is ranked in order from the most trending song on top to the least trending song on the bottom. You want to be using this audio because, again, the way the algorithm works is that it will show you videos on your For You page based on the audio that you have listened to. So the way the trending audio works is it's the same idea as the trending hashtags. The trending audio is created when there are a lot of TikTok videos using this audio. So it's a good idea to check the trending audio every single day. I also forgot to mention that you should check the trending hashtags every single day because they do update every single day. The trending audio updates not as often as the hashtags. I feel like the audio updates like every week or every a couple of weeks. So definitely check out the trending audio every day and use it in your videos. Now I do have a fifth tip that I want to share with you, but I want to basically walk through and basically show you like step by step what I do when I first wake up and I want to create TikTok videos. So I will literally go through the first 4 steps that I just mentioned to you. Every single day when I wake up, this is what I'll do. So when I first wake up in the morning or when I am wanting to create a TikTok video, this is what I'll do. So the first tip that I shared with you is to follow Charlie. So I'll go type in Charlie's profile and see if she posted a new video, see if she used a new audio, or see if she did a new dance. If she did, I'm gonna put that on my to-do list, or I'm gonna favorite the video so that I can refer back to it. The second thing I do is I go into the For You page and just scroll for about 10-ish, maybe 60 minutes-ish while I'm still in bed. Yeah, don't judge me. I'm sure all of you guys do it too. If you're wondering how much time I spend on TikTok, let's just say it's an embarrassing amount of time. But hey, that's how I know so much about TikTok. So I'll be scrolling on my For You page for a lot of minutes, a lot of hours sometimes, and I'll see if there's any trending videos or if there's any similar type of content, and then I'll favorite it and so I can refer back to it. Then next I'll check the trending hashtags because they are updated every single day, and I'll just take a look at the top 2 trending hashtags because I pretty much will have always known what the other trending hashtags are, and then I'll read the description of the trending hashtags to see if I like it, to see if I want to create a type of video on it. Honestly, I don't really do it too often because sometimes the hashtags are really irrelevant to my niche, and so I don't always use the trending hashtags. But if it's something that I can put a spin on and kind of relate it to my niche, then that's what I'm going to do. Then lastly, I'm going to take a look at the trending audio to see if it's changed, and if so, I'm going to favorite it and then create a video using that audio. So the 5th tip that I wanted to share with you is to be aware of the safe zone on TikTok. So if you notice when you're scrolling on the For You page, the caption at the bottom of the video is going to cover the video. So often I see there's text at the bottom of the video or text gets cut off on the side. So you definitely don't want to be putting any text around the edges because it will get cut off, but especially on the right hand side because that's where your profile picture is, the number of likes you got, the comments and the share button, and then the audio icon at the bottom. So here's a little screenshot of the safe zone on TikTok where you want to put your text if you are going to put text on video, or even when you're recording your videos. I like to put a lot of room at the bottom of my videos as well because my caption is usually quite long because I usually max out on the number of hashtags I want to use on a post. So when you're adding text to your videos on TikTok, if you set the duration of the text and then you drag it to the right hand corner, it will kind of show you where your profile picture is going to be. So you'll kind of get an idea of where not to put your text and where your profile picture is and all the likes and all the icons are. It won't show you how big your caption will be and how much the caption will take up on the video. So you kind of need to just look at some of the videos that you post or some of the videos on the For You page and kind of guess. I kind of leave about an inch for the caption and the hashtags. So those are the 5 tips that I wish I knew when I first started on TikTok. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys want free TikTok growth tips, just click the link in the description box below. put in your name and your email, and then the free tips will be sent to you. I also have a full TikTok growth course that is on pre-sale now for a limited time, so if you want to check that out, it's in the description box below as well. And if you want more TikTok growth tips or Instagram tips, be sure to check out the other videos on my channel. And if you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up, click subscribe. And again, I'm just trying to make this video as long so I can put the end screen here and pop my picture up here and watch these videos if you want to see more content from me. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one.